Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. Yeah, this is the follow-up video from that last TCA tattoo removal run. Yeah, this time I ran the TCA 15 minutes, and I rinsed with hydrogen peroxide. And I used hydrogen peroxide maybe once or twice a week. Wipe down the tattoo on my leg with it. And it took 3 weeks to heal up. This is 3 weeks into it, so it's a little bit shorter healing time and a whole lot less permanent scarring. You'll see what's going on. Yeah, that's what it looks like after 1 week. Yeah, this, what did I do? Oh yeah, I used TCA on it, and I doused it down with hydrogen peroxide afterwards. That's a 15-minute TCA run. And I'm going to show you the healing process 1 week to the next. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. Yeah, this is 2 weeks after I did that TCA treatment, using the hydrogen peroxide as an aftercare. As you can see, most of the healing process is already done. It did lighten it up a little bit. There's almost no permanent scarring this time, so yeah, the 15 minutes is definitely the right way to go. Instead of 30. I guess 30 was a bit too long, which left quite a bit of permanent scarring on my hand. I should just experiment on parts of my body that I'm not looking at every day. All the time, like my hand. The next section is going to advance another week, to see what it looks like after 3 weeks of 3 weeks after that TCA treatment. Yeah, this is 3 weeks after doing that 15-minute TCA treatment. That's TCA 75%, and using hydrogen peroxide as an after treatment. And I wiped it down with hydrogen peroxide a couple times during the week during the healing process. Yeah, that's what that looks like after 3 weeks. 15 minutes TCA run seems to be a whole lot less permanent damage than a half hour. And using the hydrogen peroxide as a what do you call it? As an after treatment, it seems to lighten up a whole lot more than the half hour run that I did on my hand. Well, there it is. It works a little bit better than running it at 15 minutes than it did a half hour. It's a lot less permanent damage, as you can see, and a week less healing time. Not quite as much in terms of the ink fading, but at least with a shorter recovery time, I can run it again a whole lot sooner than the half hour TCA run. That's TCA 75%. Let me get through the end of my video here. If you like the video, mash that thumbs up for me. Appreciate that. It's slightly out of order, but yeah, we'll go with it anyways. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. There's that smiley face with some broken teeth down over here somewhere. Yeah, the broken smiley face. Yeah, that's gonna be on a mask soon. Probably about a week or two after this video comes out. So yeah, watch for that. That's the first piece of Average Mike merchandise. Yeah, but yeah, you click on that, you automatically subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that share button. Where is that? There it is, right about here. Yeah, click on that. Yeah, share the video with people. I appreciate that. Yeah, you got any suggestions? You got anything you want to see in some future videos? Yeah, go ahead and leave that in the comments. I do read them. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.